are
you?
you? I'm good. I'm good.
I'm good.
हमने अभी कुछ सेकंड पहले स्टार्ट किया एंड फैंस वर लाइक कि वेयर इज हिबा आई टोल्ड देम कुछ सेकंड तो दे दो भाई.
I was hogging a bit. This is what I'm
Okay.
doing in my quarantine. I'm just eating all the time.
Oh, how nice. So actually, many have asked these questions कि अपने लॉकडाउन पीरियड में हिबा क्या कर रही है. So let's start with that.
Okay, so all the time I'm in my PJs. For a change, I changed today. I'm wearing something I would go, on a coffee date. Maybe, friends के साथ chill करने के लिए I would have worn something like this. Because I'm chilling with you guys today, so I'm really happy because it's been a while. I haven't seen anyone physically. Of course, we have doing video calls and all, texting, calling, and everything. But it is very, very difficult for me and for everybody else, I'm sure. But the great part is, I am in Bareilly. I'm with my family, my whole family.
Oh,
So I'm really, really happy and I'm blessed. I took off at the correct moment from Mumbai to Bareilly, and we're safe and sound here. So I hope कि बाकी सभी safe हो और बाहर नहीं निकल जाए.
so this Bareilly trip was pre-planned, Hiba, or this coronavirus की वजह से
It
आपने?
was planned because my show went off air. I went on a trip on a very wrong time, but thank God, thankfully, I'm fine. Because I
Yeah.
was really scared because people who were traveling to UK or Spain or everywhere else, they were getting infected. There were people who got infected. But luckily, of course, my mother's prayers, and of course, I took precautions throughout, like sanitizing my hands, washing my hands, and eating at the correct places जहाँ पे sanitize करके रखते हैं properly, and everything is there. You can see, So, and of course, I have been lucky, and God was there with me throughout, and my mama's blessings, of course, because she was really worried. Because when we booked our tickets, तब कुछ नहीं था ऐसा. It wasn't so serious, but eventually it got serious. And yes, I was really, really scared towards the end of my trip, but luckily I'm fine.
Oh, that's how nice. That's great thing that you are there with your parents and दोनों साइड से स्ट्रेस नहीं है. आप भी यहाँ रहते तो आपको मॉम डैड का स्ट्रेस रहता है या फैमिली का, और उनको भी यहाँ का रहता. Because living alone, it's not a bit.
अगर शो खत्म भी होता तो I would have been there, but my show went off air, and it was anyway planned because I usually come after like 1.5 years or 2 years and visit Bareilly. My mama papa, they do come and visit me there, but मुझे काफी टाइम हो जाता है. And this time I thought I'm going to eat this, eat that, pani puri, chole bhature, everything, and I don't know what will happen next.
ओके, सो अभी मॉम डैड के साथ है तो ऑफ कोर्स सारी पैम्पर आपको खूब अच्छी तरह से किया जाता होगा. बट आपने क्या किया है अब तक इस लॉकडाउन पीरियड में? कुछ अपनी एक्टिविटीज दिखी है, कुछ खास बना है किचन में, या जस्ट
macaroni I made one day, and I'm trying to make this coffee which is very much in trend right now, like dalgona coffee or something. I'm trying to make, but my mama is after my life के ठंडा मत पियो, गला खराब हो जाएगा and stuff like that. She has been extra strict throughout, so I'm waiting for that. And my mama is the best cook, so I don't know if I'll be that great, but I keep on telling them कि एक बार तुम try करना. Mama is like, नहीं तुम इधर आई हो, तुम आराम करो, तुम्हें कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. So I've been doing a lot of aram, and I'm putting on a lot.
okay. So how are you going to manage this? Like putting a lot from like, so any like particular exercise, yoga, कुछ हो रहा है साथ में?
So I've been avoiding working out lately because I was like, this is my period, I just want to rest it out. I just want to sleep all the time. But I'm thinking it's not too much because I've been eating a lot, and this is the time I should, start exercising a bit. So I'm thinking, me and my brother, we were thinking that, एक साथ start करेंगे तो कर पाएंगे, वरना तो, you get so lethargic, so lazy, just sitting at home doing nothing and binge watching all the time. So I've been with my iPad like 24/7. I'm just watching something or the other all the time. And of course, we have family time. Me and Mama, we love playing Ludo together, so we do that. And we do chit chat. We gossip a little, actually a lot. Gossip.
I want to know about this gossip. It's from the industry, from your industry friends.
आस-पास का family, what is happening, what is she wearing, what she wore there.
Oh my God, like
Typical
this.
लड़कियों वाली gossip. Your TV say. I hardly know anything. I want people to tell me what's going on in this industry. There are my friends who
Okay.
all, so उनसे पूछ लेती हूँ मैं.
Okay. So how's going your skin care? अभी तो पार्लर जाने का भी टाइम नहीं होगा. टाइम क्या मतलब जाना ही नहीं है. लॉक है पूरा, जाना ही नहीं है.
Owns a salon, so you can see my brows. So my mother owns a salon now, right? So I asked my sister to do it for me. Like when the lockdown happened, my sister got stuck here with me. She's married with 2 kids though. So I'm very happy.
Oh,
I'm having
nice.
a lot of fun with my sister and her kids. And I think उनके वजह से I'm just going through this period because this period is so difficult. You get depressed. There were times when I felt depressed, but every time I see these kids, I'm like so happy. They're so sweet. So yeah, she did for me. So those memes, like about girls जिनको ऐसे दाढ़ी आ जाएगी और ये आ जाएगी. So I'm not scared of that. वरना ऐसा I would have gone all jungly. So everything is fine, but yeah, my mama makes a lot of face mask, the haldi or चावल का आटा डाल के and दही डाल के. She does a lot of things, कुछ आयुर्वेदिक कुछ करके, and she puts on my face. So that is going on.
Oh, that's why I can see glow on your face.
So yeah.
And you know,
and
आपके
the
फैंस
best
पूछ
part-
भी रहे थे जब से हमने स्टार्ट किया.
क्या हाँ सब बहुत सारे messages I can see.
Yes.
So
हाँ, they were asking कि आपका hair color बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
Really, I didn't touch up like
Okay.
since forever now. I'll do it again now. Wherever this. And also, the best part.
उन लोगों ने पहले ही नोटिस कर लिया था.
I think best skincare is कि आप makeup नहीं लगाते हो तो skin already breathe कर पाती है. And anyway, you get the glowing skin and you're getting 8 to 9 or maybe 12 hours sleep every day, because I think I'm sleeping for good 12 hours every day or something like that. I don't know. I'm sleeping a lot like every day, so that is there. So it's nice also, and it's a little depressing also.
Okay, so any homemade tips for skincare from your mama's salon for me also and fans as well?
For you, yes. So skincare and for your hair also. I think you can put aloe gel in your hair. Keep it for
What gel?
30 minutes. Aloe vera.
Okay.
And try to have fresh aloe vera gel, because I have a lot of aloe vera plants in my house. So she does that to me. उन्होंने अभी कल ही करा. मेरे चंपी भी करती हैं.
अरे वाह.
सारा टाइम मिल गया है. So she's doing that. She did Chumpy for me. You can just wash your hair. You can put aloe vera gel and just keep it for 30 minutes or keep it for 2 hours. I kept it, and then you can just rinse it off and it's all shiny and there's a volume. So I think you can do that. For skin, 8 hours sleep is really important. So I'm doing that. Though my schedule, I have no routine as of now, but usually I try to get 8 hours sleep, and here I'm getting more than that, which is also bad. But let's exclude that part. But you can always put, dahi and haldi on your face. Try it and scrub करके धीरे-धीरे you can remove some dead skin निकल जाती है. You can put aloe vera on your skin and you get the great glow after aloe vera. And if you have tanning on your face, you can put tomato काट के and you can just rub it on your face, keep it for 15 minutes, and just rinse it off. So you can do it twice a week. That'll be great. But if you're allergic to it, then don't do it. I'm not, so I try to do it.
That's nice. मुझे भी काफी कुछ पता चल गया.
What are you doing? What are
I'm
Work from home.
Work from home for sure, and it's not like for limited. Like we are in news, okay, entertainment news, but we are working from home. We are creating videos. We are doing live, etc., etc. Like we are full on.
Great, you have some work. I don't have any work right now, and I wish to go back to my routine and my work, especially. I miss working.
Soon, I hope soon.
Inshallah.
We
Soon.
yeah, we all are missing our offices, going to office, Mumbai ki
I
train,
think this
road.
is the first time you would ever feel that kind of love for your work. I feel. I think this was required.
True that.
This was required.
True.
Because there are times even I take my work for granted, but now sitting at home, I realize it's so important.
I'm not. Yeah, I'm not feeling like taking weekend off. Also, like it's what working from home and
It's
what
done for
off.
like 5 years now. The whole 5-6 साल का off already मिल गया. Let us work now.
So it's okay. I'm working like Saturday, Sunday. Doesn't matter. So now tell me, shooting को कितना miss कर रहे हैं? I mean, show तो offer था, but still must be something on off meetings and everything. कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा ही.
Yeah, I've been meeting people. I've been doing something or the other productive. But now everything is shut, and I've been, talking to people for work. Like there were meetings going on, and I wanted to take up something eventually, but then सब कुछ थम गया है. जिंदगी थम गई है. It's like नहीं चलना है, but again, एक अच्छा बात भी है that getting quality time and quantity भी है बहुत सारी मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा time बस गुजारते जाओ. So there are I'm thinking to meditation now because थोड़ा frustration आ जाता है कभी-कभी और ऐसा लगता है कि पैर जोर से पटको जमीन पे और भाग दौड़ मुझ पे जाके चिल्लाओ. There were times I was telling my mother मैं बाहर जाके चिल्लाना चाहती हूँ. मैंने सोचा कि हाँ बेटा जब डंडे पड़ेगी तब पता चलेगा. जाओ चिल्लाओ जाके. But I really want to thank all the doctors, policemen, and everyone out there, supporting us and खुद की life, danger में डाल के they're doing so much for us. So we are really lucky कि हम लोग आराम से घर में बैठे हैं and also we're getting traded. So I really want to tell people that I'm doing my bit and my family. Of course, I'm helping my family only because they have been always doing social work here because of course they have lived here for the longest time. So they know people and they have been donating food and if required little money also or medical care or anything कोई अगर परेशानी में है so you can even donate money. Especially I would suggest food. So we have been doing that. So I want you guys to do the same because we all are really lucky. कि हम आराम से घर में बैठे हैं, खाना भी मिल रहा है and all kind of entertainment is there. Everything is there. There are people जिनके पास कुछ नहीं है. They're not so fortunate just like us. So I want you guys to please donate. कितना भी कीजिए 500, 5,000, 5 लाख, anything, whatever you can, just do it, please.
True. Hiba, आप कुछ fans के questions लेना चाहेंगी? They are asking many questions. So would you like to take it? Yeah, please.
Yes, definitely I would want because I want I haven't really connected with them since a long time. So I would love to.
So देखिए क्या क्या है upcoming project. Yeah.
So upcoming project, everything is on hold again, but there will be something very interesting coming up. Something you would like to see me in for sure. I can vouch on that. And I'm just really dying to get back to my work and something you would want me to do. I'll be doing that for sure. जी यही छटपट कब आएगा? बहुत छटपट से उतर गए हैं अभी. Even I wish to do something similar or maybe Jiga Ji again because Elaichi is like really close to my heart and I'm partially Elaichi now because I've been living Elaichi for more than 2 years. So yeah, I cannot speak Punjabi but I do understand Punjabi because I'm surrounded with a lot of Punjabi especially Rashi Baba. And I want to tell this to Rashi that I really miss you. And we meet soon because I'm really missing all my friends, especially Baba, Ashna, Ayush. So guys, I'll see you super soon. And anytime you just, and most of the time we're on group chatting all the time, so that's there. And I want to know what you guys are doing right now. How are you passing your time? What is your routine? Because I think 80% लोगों को कोई routine नहीं बच रहा है, including
सब
me.
खत्म.
No routine. So it's just there. Party
Exactly.
again. What because who is partying? Online में sure. No, I partied and yeah, I was shooting next day because this is how it is. Because there are times usually I avoid when I'm shooting next day. I do not party, but it was my birthday, so of course birthday के दिन थोड़ी सी cheating बनती है. अपनी नींद के साथ भी cheating बनती है. So the next day I was mostly sleeping. Every time मैं शॉर्ट अपना कुछ शॉर्ट लेके आ रही हूँ या सीन करके आ रही हूँ और उसके बाद मैं सो रही हूँ, सेट पे भी सो रही हूँ, मैं स्टोरी से कई जगह पे. I don't सीन्स में सोती भी नहीं लगी हूँ, but वैसे I was sleeping a lot everywhere.
Okay. So, Hiba, I have, it's like 21 days was lockdown period and I had 21 questions for you. It's a very rapid fire kind of questions. That has थोड़ा आपके बारे में ट्रिविया है जो फैंस को गेस करना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद आप गेस करोगे. ओके. एंड हमने कुछ 5 या 6 फैंस के क्वेश्चंस भी इंक्लूड किए हैं जो हमने इंस्टाग्राम से लिए हैं. ओके. सो और फ्यू आर लाइक योर फेवरेट थिंग्स जो फैंस एक्चुअली जानना चाहते हैं. So start करें?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, 3 words about Hiba.
Now I have become sarcastic. I'm spontaneous, and for now, as of now, sleepyhead all the time. Sleeping all the time.
Beauty sleep, you can say. You are enjoying that period.
You're getting way too beautiful now.
That's nice actually. No stress and like hectic schedule नहीं है थोड़ा उतना भागम भाग का stress नहीं.
कुछ नहीं है. Life has become very slow. पता ही नहीं चलता है क्या तो सिर्फ 4 ही बजे है, सिर्फ 5 ही बजे हैं. I have become like that. अच्छा रात के 4 बजे बस अभी. I have become like that. But it's okay. कल शाम को 6 बजे भी उठूंगी तभी ठीक है, बट नहीं मैं 6 बजे नहीं उठ रही हूँ. मैं 2 बजे उठती हूँ.
Okay, favorite actress from television.
Me? Of course me.
और अगर आपको ऐसे अपना तो सब फेवरेट होता है, आपको हटाकर don't include yourself.
Definitely Jennifer Winget. I just really
Wow. Okay. Favorite street food. Street food.
एक तो नहीं बहुत सारे हैं. I really love eating गोलगप्पा, आलू टिक्की, चना जोर गरम, दही भल्लाज, and you get it roadside chowmin. I love eating that. And यहाँ पे तो बहुत amazing roadside macaroni मिलती है. I love eating that. So it's a lot. But I think गोलगप्पा will win eventually.
Favorite local place in Mumbai. Local place is like Marine Drive, Juhu Chapati type.
Yeah, it has to be Marine Drive. I love going to Marine Drive. I can just sit there doing nothing for hours. I love going there, and I really like going to the beach also because it's less populated, less polluted, quite clean. So I like going there also, chilling there, and there are like few shacks there. I love chilling there with my family. My brother really introduced me to that place, and I love that place.
Okay. Who is your inspiration?
It has to be my mother. My mother is amazing. I just can't be like her. I tried to be like her, but she's like a devi.
Devi.
Always giving. She is so giving. I just try to be like her. I don't know if I can ever be like her because she has been fulfilling all kind of roles, like amazing wife, amazing babu, amazing mom, amazing
wow,
sister,
wow, wow.
amazing lady. She's been everything. So I don't know if I can ever be like her. I always want to be like her. Like 50% भी हुई तो my kids will be like, माँ तो महान है. ऐसा वाला. Because she is amazing. She is wow, just amazing.
Do you love traveling?
Oh yeah, I love traveling, and since childhood I really wanted to travel, really wanted to explore, and then I finally started. और उसके बाद ये हो गया.
So favorite destination क्या है?
So I always I've been to Paris when I was 17. I
Huh?
again went to Paris recently. So it was like my dream place, but this time it was raining a lot. It was really really cold there. So I was like, I think मुझे tropical places को पसंद करना चाहिए because I'm not someone who can bear so much of thand all the time. So I think Paris is good in May, June, July, and August. So I think I'll go again जब जब इतनी ठंड नहीं होगी. So yeah, it was Paris, but all the beachy places like Bali, Seychelles, or Maldives, everywhere. जहाँ पे ढेर सारा पानी हो and it is not so cold. It's nice.
So you like seaside?
Yes. No, I'm actually a good swimmer, but I can give it a shot.
Favorite song?
So it's my all-time favorite song, Sajni from Jal Band. Of course, I keep on liking different songs. There are phases when I like this and that song. But I think this is my all-time favorite. जब से मैं बच्ची हूँ, since like 7th or 8th standard से मेरा ये favorite song. I used to listen to this a lot, and I still like it.
Okay. Favorite Bollywood actor? जिसके साथ आप
शाहरुख खान.
करना चाहेंगे?
शाहरुख खान. The end. शाहरुख खान.
And हाँ, Indian और Western क्या पहनना पसंद करती हैं?
Don't know, depends कि मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ, कहाँ का कैसा, जैसा देश वैसा भेष, ऐसा types. I'm always like that. But I'm more comfortable in Western, I would say. But again, you look more, like नाजुक सी, प्यारी सी when you wear Indian, I feel. So I'm good with both, but yeah, Western I'm more comfortable because maybe I wear that more often.
Okay, so now I have few trivias और fans जितने भी हिबा के हैं, please आप लोग ready हो जाओ और हम कुछ सेकंड का पॉज लेंगे, आप लोगों को आंसर देना होगा. ओके, लेट्स सी कितना आप लोग ध्यान रखते हो हिबा का, कितना नॉलेज रखते हो उनके बारे में, या सिर्फ क्वेश्चन ही पूछते रहते हो आप लोग. लेट्स सी. ओके, सो मैंने भी थोड़ा बहुत रिसर्च किया हुआ है और ये है सफर सलोनी का था और नाम था श्वेता. शो का नाम बताइए. आई रिपीट, सफर सलोनी का था और नाम था श्वेता. शो का नाम बताइए. चलिए.
और ये बहुत साल पुरानी बात है. I think
बहुत साल पुराना है.
10 years or something?
2013 no, I guess.
No.
8,
I was a kid.
2008. 2008.
Something. Yeah.
2008.
Very small. I was very
नहीं पता.
small. Oh, I see. This is Navini. Hi, she's correct. It's Saat Fere.
Oh, nice.
Hiba's cuteness also said Saat Fere. Somebody's saying crazy
हाँ.
stupid. No, it came much later, and I was थोड़ी बड़ी हो गई. I was just 11 or 12 years old in that show.
It was in 2008. I saw जब मैं रिसर्च कर रही थी तो हाँ.
12 साल.
ओके. कैरेक्टर ऐसा जिसे चाय में डालने से चाय और भी अच्छी बन जाती है. आई एम श्योर इसमें टाइम नहीं लगना चाहिए. उस शो का नाम बताइए.
हाँ, उस शो का बिल्कुल भी नाम नहीं लगा. अच्छा, somebody knows कि उस शो में मैंने 30 episodes किए थे. That's great, yeah.
इट्स वेरी सिंपल. कैरेक्टर का नाम था ऐसा जो चाय में डालने से और चाय अच्छी बन जाती है. सो ये तो अभी वाला है. ओ एक ने नाम पकड़ा है लेकिन शो का नाम क्या है?
I think that's Ilaichi. Somebody said, oh, okay, now people are saying.
हाँ, it is. No, Ilaichi.
One of my favorite characters I played.
आई हैव 2 किड एंड वो फैन है. अभी मैंने उनको लॉक करके रखा है. इलायची के जीजाजी छते पे के बड़े फैन है. ऐसे और हंसते रहते हैं. They, I don't know, they understand or some like my son is 4 years old only and he also likes कुछ भी मतलब उसको बहुत मजा आता है देख के. इलायची is favorite.
So sweet. I feel सारे बच्चों को अच्छा लगता है because
हाँ
my
बहुत पसंद है.
5 years old and she's like अभी भी she's saying हिबा खाना प्लीज आप मेरे मोबाइल में लगा दीजिए मुझे आपका शो देखना है.
हाँ
नानू के साथ बैठ के देखती थी. जब भी मैं आती थी घर पे नानू मुझे दिखाते थे. मैंने कहा आपको पसंद था. बोली हाँ मुझे बड़ा पसंद था.
so,
I think the kids, you know, they love watching such shows and I know
हाँ हाँ
even you know मैं भी बच्ची नहीं रही हूँ but I still feel मुझे भी ऐसे shows अच्छे लगते हैं because I
बहुत मैं तो बच्चों के बहाने देख लिया करती थी. अगर घर में हूँ उस टाइम पे ऑफिस से आ गई तो ऑफ कोर्स देख लिया करती थी.
So I just want to do, you know, maybe again I would like to do something like that, like seriously, nothing like कि okay ये हो गया है, you know, इस type के character कर दिया. I don't want कि you know ऐसा सोचते भी हो तो it's okay because I really enjoy doing such things and you know आपको जो भी आप करते हैं enjoy करना चाहिए तभी आप अपना best दे पाते हो. Because if you're doing something which is forced, I think तब आप थोड़ा restricted feel करते हो and आपको समझ नहीं आता है कि आप एग्जैक्टली क्या कर रहे हो. फिर कुछ ब्लंडर हो जाता है. सो आई फील जो आप एंजॉय कर सकते हो वो करना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल. That's great. Okay, third question is शीना का कैरेक्टर था और किसी को भागने की सलाह दी जाती थी. ये सब मैंने खुद से क्रिएट किए हैं तो थोड़ा इधर उधर हो तो प्लीज मैनेज. शीना का कैरेक्टर था और किसी को भागने की सलाह दी जाती थी.
Now people know this. I don't know.
लेटेस्ट है ये सब तो.
हाँ ये लेटेस्ट ही actually. I would know. I can win everything.
Of course.
Okay, somebody said this is Abhishek said.
हाँ 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 और भी शिवम ने भी बोल दिया. Right, that's great.
Hiba cuteness was everything. I think everything.
I have 2 more trivia.
Why?
I have 2 more trivia and then fan questions. तो एक और है. एक ऐसी माँ जो सांसों से जुड़ी है. शो का नाम बताइए. मैंने भी क्या बनाया है. एक ऐसी माँ जो सांसों से जुड़ी है. कौन हो सकती है भाई.
बताओ कौन. Okay,
सांसों को रोकती नहीं है.
होगा. I'm sure somebody will. Okay, yeah. Hiba my world says मेरी सासू माँ. Yes.
And 117 Silver also says मेरी सासू माँ. That's nice. अच्छा ये अब एकदम सिंपल वाला है. एज अ चाइल्ड आर्टिस्ट हिबा का पहला शो कौन सा था. हॉरर शो था पहला शो.
मैं भी थोड़ा सोचने लगी थी. मेरी भी मेमोरी आई वाज लाइक कि क्या किया था मैंने पहले.
एक ही तो है हॉरर शो है ना.
या करेक्ट. सो आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग कि मैंने पहले क्या किया था.
चलो इसको देखते हैं.
कम ऑन. ये तो सबको पता है उस जमाने में कौन सा शो आता था. एक हॉरर शो.
मैं तो डर के मारे हॉरर शोज देखती नहीं थी. बहुत डर लगता था तब. एंड आई टेल यू बहुत
I love and when I got a call for that, I'm like, I want to do. It's okay, मुझे भूत बना दे और सब okay just do it.
No, but now I laugh. now तो I laugh. मुझे डर नहीं लगता है. हंसी आती है.
It's funny anyway. Okay, Hiba.
फिर कोई
said फिर कोई है.
That's nice. चलिए अब मैं फैंस के क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ. Okay. So when will जीजाजी छत पर है नेक्स्ट सीजन कम. सब पूछ रहे हैं. आपने भी आंसर दे दिया है ऑलमोस्ट. But
I think it was a beautiful journey throughout. Loved you guys. The way you kept supporting me and kept showering love. I love you a lot. The whole team is, we appreciate you guys and the way you used to react towards each and every episode and do, make a lot of reels and all. It was beautiful. I wish that, become a not? Let's see in future if everything works out. Then again, yes. But if it doesn't, I'm sure I would really pick something which you guys would like, because of course हम क्यों हैं यहाँ पर, आपके लिए ही हैं, and हम वही करना चाहेंगे जो आप देखना पसंद करेंगे. So of course I would pick something which you guys would like me watching in. That's a promise.
चैलेंजिंग सिचुएशन से कैसे डील करते हैं?
Okay, I'll tell you. Honestly, पहले मैं रो जाती हूँ, मैं रोती हूँ पहले, फिर मैं मम्मा को फोन करती हूँ, और फिर मम्मा मुझे काम डाउन करती हैं, फिर उसके बाद मुझे वो समझाती हैं, जो एडवाइस देती हैं. ये हमेशा नहीं होता है, of course, but there are times when I panic a lot, so I definitely run to my mother. तो आपकी जब माँ आपसे कुछ बोलती है ना, तो आप वो समझिए, पहले काम डाउन हुई, फिर काम डाउन होकर समझिए, एंड प्लीज फॉलो दैट. तब कुछ अपने दिमाग का मत करिए, because ऑलरेडी आपका दिमाग इतना ज़्यादा हिला हुआ है कि आप कई बार गलत डिसीजन ले लेते हैं. So this is this is what you want to go through that tough situation. And सबकी लाइफ में आती है सिचुएशन ऐसी, भले वो 8 साल के हों या 80 साल के. तो अपने उस टाइम पे ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव अ पार्टनर देयर, or your kids, so listen to your kids or your partner. As per now, I have my mother and my father, so I listen to them. जब बहुत ज़्यादा मैं goof ups कर चुकी होती हूँ already, क्योंकि पहले नहीं सुनती हूँ मैं उनकी, तभी सिचुएशन में फंसती हूँ, और फिर then everything is okay.
ओके, आई थिंक इसका आंसर तो आपने ऑलरेडी दे दिया है, बट फिर भी है कि अपने होम टाउन बरेली को कितना मिस करते हैं आप फिलहाल बरेली में ही हैं, सबको आपने स्टार्टिंग में ही बता दिया.
Right now, yes, I do miss it because एक रौनक जो आती है ना स्मॉल टाउन्स में, वो बड़े शहरों में नहीं होती है, और जिंदगी वहाँ पे भागती रहती है. मैं सुबह उठती हूँ, even if I'm not working, I have meetings, I have my doctor's appointment, I have something to do with my hair, something with my face, something with 10,000 things. So मेरा पूरा दिन ऐसे करके निकल जाता है, मुझे फील नहीं होता है कि ओके कोई संडे भी था या कोई ऑफ डे भी था. सो this is what I miss, because your life is a little better, a little slow and nice. You have time to enjoy, you have time to be with your family, you have time to be with yourself, which is really important. So this is what I miss a lot. And of course बरेली की गलियाँ भी miss करती हूँ, because of course पैदा तो यही हुई थी, and partially I've been here. So I miss that a lot. And of course the yummiest street food, जो हमने already बात की थी about the golgappas and aloo tikkis and everything. This is what I miss.
Okay. What she does for long hair, ये भी आपने कुछ टिप्स दे दिए हैं ऑलरेडी, आई गेस, एलोवेरा वाला, which I'm going to follow.
Yeah, that is there. And also my mother, वो मुझे कटवाने नहीं देती बाल, तो बड़े होते
यहाँ पे बाय द वे बहुत सारे फैंस में पढ़ रही हूँ, सबने रिक्वेस्ट यही की है कि आप अपने हेयर कट मत करिए, योर हेयर लुक सो ब्यूटीफुल, सो प्लीज डोंट कट योर हेयर. ये बहुत सारे रिक्वेस्ट आए हैं. You can see also.
What I thought this time when my show will go get off air, मैं इतने करा लूँगी. When I told my mama, she was like, I would have disowned you. So yeah, she is after my life. मैं इतने से भी बाल कटवा के आती हूँ ना, like about an inch. She's like, क्यों कटा लिए, इतने प्यारे बाल है, बाल खराब कर रही है, and she's been like this all my life. हालांकि वो मेरे भाई के साथ ऑपोजिट है. शी इज आफ्टर हिज लाइफ कि प्लीज बाल कटा ले, तू प्लीज बाल कटा ले, वरना मैं काट दूंगी. सो इट्स ऑपोजिट फॉर मी एंड माय ब्रदर.
Okay, I have last question for you. It's from fans only. What kind of guy does Hiba like for marriage? Very critical.
So
whatever.
We have a lot of demands. So I would like a guy जो अपने पैरों पे खड़ा हो. Number one, self-made. I see that. Because in a way I have done the same. Yes, I have been supported with my from my father and my mother, because obviously I have spoken about that also, because लड़कियों को एक extra security चाहिए होती है when they move to a different place, and they were always secure and support me, which I'm blessed. And of course अपने पैरों पे खड़ा होना चाहिए. Self-made, loyal, I think बहुत important है loyalty you don't get from people. So I want that to be very very loyal. Respect is very important. कि मैं भी उसे respect करता हूँ, वो भी मुझे respect करे, because there are people जो कई बार respect करने के लायक नहीं होते हैं, but obviously then चीजें खराब होती हैं actually, क्योंकि obviously बदतमीजी आप नहीं करना चाहते हो. So yes, so respectable होना चाहिए और वो भी respect करे और family के respect करे मेरे and of course loving. This is all there, पूरा एक set है which is required and looks है जो 15-20 साल में ढल जाएंगे, ये हमेशा रहेगा. Yes, when I was younger than this, like कुछ 1-2 साल पहले I used to run after looks, but I think not anymore. I don't respect guys on their looks. दूर से crush करने के लिए is fine, okay, he is my crush or that is my crush, which is okay. But I think when it comes to settling, looks doesn't really matter, क्योंकि 10-15 साल में सब ढल जाएगा, मैं भी बूढ़ी हो जाऊंगी, eventually बूढ़ा हो जाएगा, and looks doesn't matter a lot. Basic, simple, and हाँ height में at least मुझसे थोड़ा सा बड़ा, 2-3 inch, I can wear heels sometimes if I wish to, but not too tall. I think 5'11" is fine by me. 5'11" is good.
So हमने full एक बायोडाटा तैयार कर दिया यहाँ पे.
Yes, but initially mine was very different. पूरा मेरा जब when I was little younger, like 2-3 साल पहले, तब मैं बहुत अलग सोचती थी and अब मैं ऐसा लगता है मैं बड़ी हो गई हूँ because I think differently and I जो ऐसा सोचती थी मैं उनकी मजाक कर रही थी. Why don't a cute guy? Why don't a hot guy? It's like सब चला जाता है, जो बचता है वो यही बचता है, the respect, loyalty and the love.
That's true. That's true. So we have finished like 21 questions.
Lovely.
Now, if you want to say something to your fans, anything, please go ahead.
Yes, I would like to say thank you everybody for lots and lots of love, respect and appreciation throughout my journey. And हम ऐसे ही connected रहेंगे. Sometimes we do live, sometimes we, I post something nice, and of course, eventually when I start working, that's how we, stay in touch. और I just want to tell you guys, मैं बहुत प्यार करती हूँ. Such say there are times when I, can't message you directly or anything, but I want to say this to you, all of you guys, that I really, really, really love you and I really respect you guys a lot. What पूरा दिन आप जितना मेहनत करते किसी भी वीडियो पे, किसी भी पोस्ट पे, I go through everything and I really, really, really appreciate it and keep up the good work. It's amazing. And few of you, you like to sketch also, which is amazing. So thank you so much and hope to see you soon through your TV screens. Inshallah. So thank you so much, guys. Lots of love. Safe रहिए और घर से बाहर मत निकलिए. बस ये मेरी अभी के लिए गुजारिश है बहुत ज़्यादा कि प्लीज़ घर से बाहर मत निकलिए और आपके आसपास पड़ोस में देखिए अगर किसी को घर में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो प्लीज़ उनकी सपोर्ट कीजिए, उनका ख्याल रखिए, खाने से लेकर मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज और एनीथिंग. और यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट, देयर आर सच ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस राइट नाउ व्हिच कैन रियली हेल्प देम. अगर आप नहीं कर सकते तो प्लीज़ उन्हें रास्ता दिखाइए एंड प्लीज़ बी सेफ. Thank you all.